it's Justin at Tag Customs. I'm back with yet another build. Check out this 2023 Ram Power Wagon fresh out of our shop. This truck's been equipped with a BDS 2-inch lift and Fox shocks on all four corners. We've got some 17x9 Black Rhino arsenals wrapped in a 37 1250 17 Baja Boss MT. Let's come around the side of the truck here where we've got an OVS Freedom bed rack along with cross rails and side supports. On top here we've got an OVS Bushveld hardshell 4-person tent and an OVS Nomadic 270 awning. Also mounted to the side of the rack we've got some Rotopax as well as some ARB Tread Pro traction boards. If you're looking to build a rig of your own, come see us at Tag Customs and we'll make your dreams a reality.